You know, I'm always still trying to stay in attack mode, attack the rim, you know, make plays when they're there. But I know that I don't have to, you know, average the 35 points or the 30 points against Boston like I've done in the past. Good stats for me individually, but it didn't get me anywhere. Knowing that we have other options on this team that can also, you know, give us 30 and also contribute when they're talking about scoring, I can focus on other things, you know, focus on defense, focus on rebounding, blocking shots and things like that. So, you know, yeah, I knew that when I was coming into this situation, and it was nights like this that I thought about when I made the choice.
A couple things I said before the game: we can't turn the ball over, we can't let them get to the free throw line, and those extra possessions are very difficult to make up, and we didn't make them up tonight.
First of all, it's a physical game. You know, it's the playoffs, and you know, just trying to get through a screen, and you know, Paul was there, so I ran through it. Foul on me, and Paul had some words for me. The ref thought it was a little too much. Gave him a tech, gave me a tech because I was in there, and we move on.
Well, we know coming into the series it's going to be physical, it's going to be technical, it's going to be flagrant fouls. We knew that. I mean, both teams want to win that bad. You know, and we just go out there to, you know, continue to execute. You know, let's not blow our cool when something may happen. That's not a basketball play. We just got to continue to keep grinding, keep working our game plan, and keep making the right plays to help us win.